Welcome to Text Swag, the app that helps you design stunning social media posts. Developed by Gwyn Play Private Limited, let's dive in and explore its amazing features. Start by heading to the Google Play Store. Search for Text Swag, click Install, and within a few seconds, you're ready to start designing. Once you open the app, you'll see 4 main options. Create a new design, generate with AI for automated creativity, collage your favorite images, access your saved projects anytime. Tap Create to start designing. Choose a background from solid colors, transparent options, gallery images, or explore our categorized stock images for various themes and moods. Tap Add Text to type your custom message or choose from suggestions. Style your text by tapping the Style button. Each tap applies a new, unique design. Adjust spacing with the slider for a perfect fit. Finally, enhance it with colors or gradients to make it pop. You can switch your background anytime by tapping Change Background. Choose a new image or color that fits your creative vision. Next, tap Add Photo to insert an image from your gallery or stock photos. Resize and reposition it to fit your design perfectly. Add finishing touches with decorators. Create colorful borders. Underline text with stylish designs. Or use pre-made typography notes for added flair. Bring your design to life with stickers. Browse through our categorized options and add elements that suit your theme. Feeling artistic? Use the Hand Draw tool to sketch your own designs and add a personal touch. Once your design is complete, choose your desired size and format. Name your project and save it to your gallery. Your post is ready to share. Looking for instant creativity? Tap Generate with AI. Type your prompt and watch as the app creates a stunning post for you in seconds. With Text Swag, designing professional and creative posts has never been easier. Download now and start your journey to standout designs today.